Hi guys, and welcome to today's intraday trade analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on Godrej Corporation stock. So I'll be telling you where I took the entry, exit, everything in this video, and I have traded by using my unique strategies without any indicators. So I'll be talking about this in this video. So watch the video till the end, and also we'll be quickly doing the Nifty 50 analysis about how it performed for the day, and also we'll be looking at the different type of indices, how it has performed for the day. So firstly, let's talk about the today's trade, what I have done. So today I have traded on Godrej Corporation stock based on my unique study and the strategy. So this is the stock Godrej CP, and according to my study and the strategy, the buy was around 1389 and I bought it around 9:30 a.m. in the morning. So 9389 is the price where I have bought, and later you can see how the price has increased. Okay, so the high made for the day is 1440, but by following my study and the strategy and my trade discipline, I have kept my target up to 1% of the stock, and you can see here the target has been achieved in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and later the stock also continued to go up, but anyway, by sticking on to my discipline, I have exited earlier itself. Okay, so this was the trade what I have done in Godrej CP for the day. And if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit like this in intraday trading and want to learn how to select a right stock and want to make a right trade, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, you get the live market personal support as well. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. Okay, so now by being said that, now let's look at how Nifty 50 has performed for the day. Okay, so first let's look at the pre-open market. Okay, so if you quickly see the pre-open market, it has opened in a flat way where it has closed on the previous day at 24329. So it's just 0.02% up, and in the morning it was advanced stocks were 28, declines were 11, and unchanged were also 11 stocks. Okay, and this is the Nifty 50 chart for the day. You can see it has performed in just one range itself, not towards the upper side also, not towards the downside also. Okay, so this is how it has performed, like a V kind of a formation. But if you guys can see the stock what I have traded, it has given you good momentum. So it always depends on the right stock, the selection. Okay, so if you select the right stock, you will get momentum. Even though if the market is range bounded, or even though if the market is sideways, if you have a good stock selection method, you will be able to find momentum towards the buy side or towards the sell side. Okay, so in this case, today's Godrej CP stock has given a good momentum towards the buy side, and the stock has gone up. You can see it has closed at 3.80% up by gaining 52 points. Okay, so this was how the pre-open market has opened, and this is how the Nifty performed for the day, and it has closed at 0.01% down, not in a higher side also, not in a downer side also. It has closed exactly where it has opened for the day. So overall, it was a flat day for Nifty 50 is what I can tell. Okay, so now let's quickly look at some of the indices, main indices, how it has performed for the day. So if you guys can clearly see here, Nifty FMGC has gained a lot by 1.63% up, and if you see, all the other indices have ended in red for the day, which are declining, and the most declining indices is Nifty consumer durables with minus 1.28% down, and all the others have gained or declined in a normal way. So this is today's analysis of indices, guys, and this is the trade what I have done today. So if you guys want to learn from me and want to get in touch with me and want to get connected with me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.